This is going to be 2014 Tristar Game Changers 2 baseball break, 38.98 and 38.99. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. All right, Jason Nimber at the top, Kevin R. You're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into random.org. It's always random 7 times. Here we go. There's 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Razzle dazzle 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Jason Nimber at the top, Ron B. You're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into our TriStar Game Changers baseball spreadsheet, which is right here. Boom. And let's make this roll big. Going to read the names and letters off here to you. Last name starts with A, goes out to Jason M. Richard E, you got B. Jason M with C. Troy C, D. Jason M, E, F, G, and H. Chris S, you got J. Jason M with K. Chris L with L. Jason M with M. Jard C, you got N. Jason M with O. Kevin R with P. Zach K, you got R. Jason M with S and T. And W, Ron B, I, Y, and Z. All right, last name starts with here. Is that right, Troy? That's crazy, man. That's just crazy. All right, guys, here we go. Let's do it. Very exciting. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got in this one. All right. I didn't do it, man. I'm sorry, Ron. I've seen that spot kill a break before, though. Sweep this break. I'm not joking. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's see who this one is. All right. Any clue? Any clue on that one? Chambers, somebody says. Yep, there you go. Chris Chambliss. All right. Chris Chambliss right there. 1971 AL Rookie of the Year, 76 All-Star. Chris Chambliss. Very nice. That one is not numbered. And that's letter C. Jason M coming out to you. Jason M. Very nice. Chris Chambliss autograph baseball. Jason M, that is you, sir. Jason M. All right, next up, here we go. Let's see what's in this one. All right. Go, guys. Good luck. Let's see what this one is here. Oh, yeah. Very cool one right there. Check that out. We all know who that is. We all know who that one is. Pretty easy. Frank Thomas. Hall of Fame 2014 right there. Very nice. Autographed baseball. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt indeed. That is nice, man. And that's letter T, Jason M. Coming out to you, Jason M. Very nice. Frank Thomas autographed baseball. All right, that'll do it, guys, for 2 baseball break. 38, 98, 99. Let's save that for YouTube.